Does that noise in your head ever make you feel alone? Please tell me I'm not the only one who feels this way. It's like living with a huge, heavy chain around your ankle. You want to run, you want to be free, but the chain keeps you stuck. That chain is the feeling of overthinking. It's not just thinking hard. It's a constant, painful pressure. You lie down to sleep, and your brain refuses to shut down. It turns into a scary, brightly lit office where you are forced to watch everything you ever did wrong. Every small mistake you made today or years ago gets magnified until it feels like a total disaster. It feels like your mind is trying to protect you, but it's doing the opposite. It's hurting you. It wants to prepare you for every bad thing that could ever happen. So you spend all your peace now to pay for worries later, living inside the memory box. The cruelest thing overthinking does is take your past memories and turn them into present pain. You remember a clumsy thing you said at a party. Right now, reading this, you might feel your face get hot with shame. Why? That moment is gone. The other people have completely forgotten it. But your mind won't let it go. It keeps saying, you should have been better. You should have been smarter. You feel this deep, crushing regret for things you cannot fix. It makes you feel like the person you were is ruining the person you are trying to be. It steals your energy, leaving you empty and exhausted, all because of a ghost from yesterday, stealing the joy of today. And then there is the future. Overthinking takes a perfectly good day and poisons it with fear. You get a promotion at work, but instead of feeling proud, your mind jumps to, what if I fail the new job? What if they realize I'm not good enough? You are scared to open your heart to a new friend because the voice whispers, they will leave you. It will hurt too much. This constant worry is like carrying an umbrella every day because you are afraid it might rain next week. You never get to feel the warmth of the sun that is shining right now. It makes the world feel dangerous and lonely. Can we find a soft place to land? This is why we have to be gentle with ourselves. We need to hug our minds, not to fight them. When the noise starts, try to tell yourself, as if speaking to a scared child, it's okay, you are worried, and that is understandable, but I am safe right now. These thoughts are just clouds. not the sky. They will move. Don't listen to the thoughts that try to make you feel worthless. Your worth is not based on your mistakes or your fears. You are a human being with a beautiful feeling heart, and that heart deserves rest. Take a very slow, deep breath. Focus only on the air coming in and going out. Let the chain drop just for 1 minute. Let the heavy burden roll off your shoulders. You deserve these moments of peace. You deserve to just be without the constant, draining sadness.